Here's how you make money while still doing what you love. If you have a side hustle that you're extremely passionate about, why not profit off of it a little bit? Why not make a little bit of money? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn your side hustle into a small business that is profitable, has virality, and is completely and authentically yours. Let's say you are a jewelry maker and you're extremely passionate about that. You like to make little friendship bracelets for your friends. Maybe you're crafty in that way. You can sell all of your jewelry pieces on Etsy or Depop. I've seen a lot of people do this and create a whole entire small business out of it. First off, I'm going to show you guys how to make a really cute Instagram post to promote some of your products, which you can also use for Depop, Etsy, or any other platform that you plan on selling your jewelry pieces. First off, I'm going to take a product shot, go to remove background, and then go to background. We have so many different options, which is great because you can customize it depending on the vibe or color scheme of your business if you have one. I just ended up going to water because I feel like we should be milking summer while it's still here. I went to text and typed in sale, and then I also typed save up to 50% off store wide. A little tip that I like to do is if I want to make the text a little bit bolder, I go into stroke and use the same color as the text. For example, I used white, and you can make it as thick or as thin as you want. Again, this is a really cute post for Instagram or any of your social medias. And I feel like the blue and the water just makes it really eye-catching. One thing that I've seen a lot of Depop sellers do is use a bright pink background, which personally for me, as someone who always likes to shop on Depop, this always catches my eye because who doesn't love pink? You can also go to remove background, and in background, go to pink. We have so many fun different prints. You can use any sort of pink color that aligns with your business, like I said before, or any fun patterns that you particularly feel drawn to. I just think this is the cutest way to sell your products. As someone who is a girly girl myself, I love seeing Depop sellers that do these kind of things because it just really puts a personal touch to your business. Now, I don't know about you guys, but one of my own side hustles and one of my favorite hobbies is making prints for myself, whether that be decorating my apartment or they make really great birthday gifts. And I feel like this is also a great thing to turn into a business because everybody wants to have some sort of prints in their homes to make it more lively or even put up in their office. There's so many fun different things that you can do with it. One example that I'm going to be showing you guys how to do today is making movie theme posters that aren't movie posters, if that makes sense. First off, you can choose any sort of color for the background that you like. I chose this kind of like blue color. Then I went into stickers and I typed in Alice in Wonderland. I chose a clock sticker, butterfly, the little drink me sign from the movie, and then for text I just typed in slow down. I think this is really fun and unique. As somebody who really loves to support small businesses, I love when they add personal touches to a package rather than just including the item that I bought. I love when they add little stickers, and it's so much easier to make a sticker in Picsart than you would think. All that I had to do to make a thank you for shopping sticker is I went to stickers and typed in circle hologram. I chose one that I liked, and then I went into shapes, outline, and chose circle. Then I typed in thank you, and I used the bend tool so that it would kind of go around the edge of the circle. And then I also typed for shopping so that the sticker says thank you for shopping. You can save these in Picsart and then make them actual stickers using a sticker company. It's so cute, so easy, and something so small can make people so excited to shop from you again. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am so obsessed with vlogging my life, and literally what's stopping you from becoming a YouTuber? I love making all of my thumbnails in Picsart because there's so many different options that you can do for these. I like to personally use collage. I chose 3 different photos that I liked that I also feature in my vlog. For example, I did a mirror selfie of myself shopping, and then I did a photo from my wine pasta night with my friend. What I love is that you can move around all of these photos and choose whatever sort of layout that you like, but make sure the crop is set on YouTube so that it fits perfectly in the thumbnail. I love that a crop feature has YouTube already because it just makes it so easy for creating any sort of thumbnail. In text, I typed in day of my life vlog, NYC edition, and then I went into stroke and used black so that it's just more easier to read. And this is so freaking cute. Again, you can do so much with the collage feature for your thumbnails. Use this video as a sign that you need to make your side hustle and hobbies into a small business. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We upload videos every Monday and Wednesday. And if you guys recreate any of these ideas, make sure to tag us on socials. All of them are linked down below. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.